going on, everybody? Jacob here at the Nutrition Store, and we are out at the TNS 2-year event here in Spartanburg, South Carolina, guys. Just want to thank each and every one of y'all for coming out, especially our vendors who have come from halfway across the country or further. Guys, it's going to be a really awesome day. We have got the music bumping as of right now, and we are about to get it rolling. I feel like that would roll right into a good, like...
You're always going to run into slower traffic. Alright, I think we found him. We're going to try and sneak up on him. He just texted me. Not totally. He's looking at me. It's kind of awkward. Look, he's just right there. Talk to her about being able to take off your mask when you're drinking, so that's precisely what we're going to go do.
Only to take off a mask, though, not to drink. Up the humidity, guys.
What's the first stop this morning?
I bet people's skin looks fresh out here though, because it's not dry. Be good for you wet folk. Going to our manufacturer, but first, coffee.
Amen. Amen to that.
Backup camera on clutch there, dude.
It's a key, dude.
We need to look back at all.
Starting route to Starbucks.
Alright guys, we just got to our manufacturer. One of a couple that we use. This one makes some of your favorite products. I'm not going to tell you what they are right now. Let's go inside and see. So Amino Fuego is our absolutely epic essential amino acid blend, but we added in some carnitine, paradoxine, GBB. I'm not going to tell you the dosages, but it tastes delicious. They nailed it here. It's like freaking phenomenal. It makes you hot and sexy. Like if you live in North Carolina, you don't need them like Amino Fuego. You just step outside. What's up, guys? We are at our manufacturer, one of our manufacturers, probably our favorite manufacturer, to be honest with you. And they did us such a solid. They put together 2 brand new flavors for the new Devastate that we have coming out. We're already launching 2, but these are going to be either a 3rd one or a 4th one. I don't know if we're going to launch 4 at the same time. But these 2 flavors are so unique. We spent a lot of time getting out of like the norm with everybody sticks with their own flavors, and you know, we do everything unique. This is a composite of multiple flavors you might never think of putting together, but they came out incredible. Well, I can't say they came out incredible. That's actually why we're here, to try them, but hypothetically, it sounds like they'd be dope. So follow me. We're going to give it a shot. Nate, everybody, we're going to try it and let you guys know what we think. Should I do it behind here?
Yeah, I can't see the product.
Guys, I don't know about you. She doesn't tell you that size matters. Our scoop proves you wrong.
You gonna try it?
Oh, that smells great, dude. Test 1, can't tell you the flavor, but let's see where we're at, Jay.
kind of unique. It's like,
Man, that's interesting.
it is.
It's super like intricate.
I don't know what I'm getting.
It's kind of like, a mixture of 10 different flavors. I don't know where to put it at. Definitely like a little bit coconut back end,
Yeah.
and then some
I get-
citrus.
Right at the end, you get the coconut.
Man, that's not bad.
It's
What do you think
refreshing
overall?
for sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet. First one down. Nate, your turn.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm tasting. But there's no off flavors, which is the most important thing. A lot of times you drink something, you're like, oh, that tastes good, and then it finishes super poorly.
Yeah.
I could describe to you what I'm tasting, but it's a surprise, so I can't.
Strong. Wow.
That's
That's pretty cool.
That's good.
Man. Landon, you son of a bitch, you were right. That's a pretty good combination.
Yeah.
Do you like that one
Man, that's
more than
super
the first
unique.
one?
They're two contrasting flavors, so it's hard to say which one you like more because there's two completely different notes. What do you think, Mr. J?
I mean, it's got like a candy type.
Yeah,
You know, like the acid in there is good.
like it smells good. Give it a shot, Mister.
Yep.
And
Ooh. Right away,
Yeah,
the smell is way
the smell
more.
is potent.
I like this one better.
you son of a bitch.
The first one was my choice. Landon, you won.
The guy that can't taste likes the first one.
Yeah. And they
The guy
just
with
say
no
I
taste
too.
buds.
I'm just biased because I was the one that was like, hey, let's try that.
I didn't know which one you did, so to be fair. But this flavor just lends itself. I can't say what I want to say.
To happiness.
The most forward flavor in this one is something that I enjoy, and many other people do too. But
Comes from the streets.
we gotta go there. They gotta go there.
What do you think, Nate? We've inspired headquarters out here.
I think we should move. Hey, that did look like.
I'm just glad we made it in time,
Oh man, what's going on, brother? Great to meet you, man. You big son of a gun. Oh man,
Twice as big as I thought you were.
Where's the camera, guys?
Good to see you, bud.
Man, jeez.
How are you?
What's up, man? Hey, man,
Pretty good.
I didn't know you were. I thought you were like the same height. We're gonna have a good workout, man.
I
We're
wish
the
I
same
was taller than
exact
I was,
size.
dude.
No, we're like, cause you're 230. I didn't weigh myself, but I'm 230.5.
Are you really?
Yeah, it's gonna be a good workout. What are you training?
dude? Kind of anything, man.
Okay, I've got
Just wanna get like a
I've got
back
back.
Chris said anything but legs.
I got back too. Yeah. Well, I couldn't ship everything in here in time, so I just brought a check bag. Yeah,
Look at this.
Nobody has touched that one in the U.S.
That's
LSD.
remember the black and white label I sent you? Tell people I always.
I kind of want you to try Northern Lights.
Good thing you didn't
Do like
get pulled
coconut
over
at all?
with
It's not
this
super strong coconut. Okay, you gotta try that.
Get that slow mo.
That's yeah.
Like
And then they do the stickers on. Refreshing. It's really good. No internet here. It's coconut. So if I'm allowed to talk about it. It's coconut. Anyways, heavy on coconut, but not like overwhelming. It's good.
I'm super ADD, by the way. So like every time I hear the doorbell, I'm like, when I go into entry mode, like, hey, how's it going?
Hi, I'm Tom.
Yeah. That's refreshing. I approve. I do like it. I like it very much. Is this? Well, I guess I could ask him if it's the final run, but
That's an LSD, right?
I like it.
I haven't tried that one. So
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at the formula. It almost tastes like there's some sodium in there or some salt.
Chris has been pushing some salt.
Yeah, I like it. We do too.
Yeah.
I like it though. Really good stuff. I'm ready to train. We going?
I bought a lot of snacks.
We're doing this? Yeah, we're ready. Let's roll.
Rolling? We are here.
The Iron House Gym in Spartanburg, South Carolina.
There he is, man. What's up, buddy?
Ooh, made it!
Little girl,
And I'm feeling it. I was just telling Chris, I was talking to those two. It feels very, very bronchodilating. The focus is intense. Honestly, I don't feel as physically jittery as I do mentally. That might be because of so much stimuli that's going on around me right now. But also the pre-workout's hitting, man. Like I'm mentally dialed in. I don't know what I'm dialed into, but I'm ready for something.
How about you? Same thing. That's what I said to him. I was like, you can feel the bronchodilation. It might be the added, like he said, stimulant, but for lower caffeine, I feel it. I'm sweating already. So, I like it.
We took it like 30 minutes ago, and so far, I mean, you can just feel it, the bronchodilation, the focus, like a jittery and excited, just like an excited, like, dude, we got to do something. I'm one set in, I'm already like full sweat. I don't know if that's just the humidity or if it's the pre or a combination of both, but feeling good. Excited to see in like 30 minutes how I feel, because that's the real test. So.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood from a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch.
What's up, everybody? We're about to do some heavy pulls. I'm not with it right now. Nope. Justin!
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me.
Come with me over here.
You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free.
Enjoy the ride, baby.
You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. Cause I'm the winner.
What's up, guys? Chris with McFire at the Nutrition Store for the 2-year anniversary for our beloved friends Jacob and the team, celebrating with community, culture, everybody's congregating. Thank you so much for having us out here, Jacob. We love you, your crew, most sexiest man in the world. This guy, somewhat the most sexiest man in the world. Thank you guys for coming, for supporting us. Everybody that's here today, congratulations on your journey. You guys have so much further to go, and I can't wait to see where you guys are gonna get to, man. Love you guys.
You cut me loose and set me free.